Hi, guys. Welcome to the InnovaTank platform. Today, we're going to touch on three things. First of all, how to enter basic information for your challenge. Then, how to build an evaluation template. And finally, how to set up your repository page. So, let's get started with entering the basic details. When you hop onto your platform, you can click on either Add Problem or go to an existing problem. So, I'm going to show you this example here. Whenever you start a challenge, you'll always get to this panel. Start with a title. The privacy level can be public, meaning that everybody on the InnovaTank platform has access and can subscribe to your challenge. If you have a more secluded case competition, then you can click on private setting, meaning you will be granting access. For the format, a research case means you can open up the challenge for 2 weeks and anybody in your participating crew will have 2 weeks to attempt it and submit their answers. For a staggered time, for example, you can have team 1 clicking the timer, they start the challenge, and the timer of 3 hours starts. And you can have team 2 clicking the timer 15 minutes later, and the timer will start. At the end of 3 hours, the competition will therefore close for them. You can enter a description. What's really important about the description is that this is what everybody will see. Therefore, any sensitive information should be put under the repository page. Give a snapshot of your challenge. You can enter a YouTube video as organizers if you would like to just say, hey guys, welcome to this competition. Then here's your chance to put it. Registration time is whenever people can start subscribing. Therefore, you can make a different date for your registration, and whenever the competition starts, which will be the start date. This is the moment where the repository or the start challenge button will appear. And finally, you have your last submission date. In a research case, you're allowed a buffer time, meaning the timer will close. However, the challenge will stay there, allowing your participants, the last minute participants, to submit some of their solutions without losing out. You can have your categories, difficulty level, input your image, solution count, and last evaluation date, meaning when your judges will be done evaluating. And finally, if you would like to publish a solution, you can click on it. Otherwise, your solutions will not be published to the public. You can also block their chat and write the pertinent tags so that they can find your challenge. Now let's go to building an evaluation template. An evaluation template is used for your participants to know what they have to work on, obviously, and also for your judges to enter their feedback according to different weights and different criterias. So in this case, we can either create for you a template or you can edit your own. So here I'm showing you a case comp template, or we can create a very customized template for you so that you don't have to rewrite the same thing over and over. So in this case, you have 4 criteria and it will be shown on the description page. Now on to setting up the repository page. In the repository page, the first part is a guideline. So make sure to be clear on what the participants should be submitting to you. In this case, a 3-page essay written with references. But you can also say submit a PowerPoint of 5 slides maximum. As thorough as possible, the guidelines are very important for the participants. Next, you can put just about anything you can think of, or simply just a case. So in this case, I've included some YouTube videos, some articles, and pictures, any type of templates that you may want them, or even a contract if you need to sign an NDA. Now let's take a look at a preview. So here you go. This is a preview of your challenge description page with all of the information that you have entered. Right here. And if I want to preview my repository page, you can see it over here. Inside the repository page, you will be able to see an outline. So you can put a lot of information, and if it gets too long, well, this becomes very well organized. So if I were to click on this article, it'll drive me exactly to the spot. So this is it for this segment. See you in the next one.